All right, so let's do a quick recap and commit our changes. Here you can see I modified the scripts a little bit. I added the view prefix to this one, just like we did for NW. And this is to tell them apart. One is for only building the web application, and the other one is to actually build the desktop one. I also split this one in two. As you can tell here, I put the build for the web app, the view build, and then the NW build in one task called the pack one. So we could run these independently or at the same or one after the other if we ran this one. Okay. Like I mentioned, I upgraded to Pink Monitor 0.2.2 to address some issues while building the web application. Thanks again to Kwawam Lilo for that. I moved the concurrently dependency to the def dependencies key here, and that's it. So now, these are some of the changes that modified the code here when I saved the file, if you remember it. So you can tell here is basically the same code, just formatted differently. All right. So I think that's it. Let's commit these changes. All right. Okay, so there's one more thing. We've been using nwjs-builder-phoenix, or as I call it, Phoenix for short, to build our application. But there's this issue in the repo opened in September last year from Ev Sheeran, from the author of the package. And they are mentioning that the repo is pretty much not being maintained anymore, and that there's an open invitation to someone who could come in and take care of it. So you can see more details about the issue here. I am definitely not the one person to take care of the package. But if you're interested and if you found this package to be useful and you think you can do something about the repo not being maintained, that would be really awesome for the rest of us to keep this alive. So anyways, let's continue with our own project and move on to the next topic.